in Kerala, all movie theatres are going to be closed for the entire month of March. This after cases have almost doubled since Sunday. Now the total patients tested positive for coronavirus and in hospital are 14. There's all measures which can possibly be taken, which are in place, including all schools till class 7th being closed, public gatherings altogether being suspended, devotees being asked not to go for ritual gatherings, whether even if it be Sabrimala. But also there's a live map plotting happening for the first, that is the primary and the secondary contacts of those family members who were affected and eventually were roaming around in the community before they were isolated by the government. Now, this is particularly related to the family of 3 who returned to Pathanamthitta but did not disclose their travel history of Italy. Now, this mapping, according to officials, say is going to really help them in early intervention and resource analysis. Let's listen to what Kerala Health Minister K.K. Shailaja has to say.
3 districts they travelled. That's why we are in trouble to isolate this contact in each and every district. We are trying hard, and we have to map where and where they went and what is the direct contact and what is the remote contact, etc. That we are tracing and mapping. That mapping helps us very much to identify where is the more density contact peoples, and we can arrange all the systems there.
Well, resource crunch can possibly be a huge challenge in dealing with coronavirus across the world. In Kerala also, Health Minister K.K. Shailaja has gone and apprised over the phone the Union Health Minister, Dr. Harshvardhan, about the resource crunch, which includes a shortage of medicines, gloves, masks, sanitizers and many such things that would be required. But on the ground, there seems to be panic with even sanitizers or masks totally out of stock in several medical shops, including in Thiruvananthapuram. But the health minister says, don't worry, use the age-old technique of soap. Let's see this reality check. We'll do a reality check. Sir, sanitizers on door?
ഇല്ല സ്റ്റോക്കില്ല.
Stock illa. So the stock is over. എപ്പോഴായിരുന്നു സ്റ്റോക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞത്?
സ്റ്റോക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഇപ്പോൾ 2-3 ദിവസമായി. ഒരിടത്തും കിട്ടാനില്ല, സാധനം കിട്ടാനില്ല. എല്ലായിടത്തും ഷോർട്ടേജ് ആണെന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്.
So it's around 2-3 days since the stock has been over and they're not getting stuffs. ആൾക്കാർ വന്ന് ചോദിക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ?
ഒരുപാട് രാവിലെ തൊട്ട് 100 കണക്കിന് ആൾക്കാർ വന്ന് ഫേസ് മാസ്കും ഇല്ല, മാസ്കും ഷോർട്ടേജ് ആണ്, സാനിറ്റൈസറും ഷോർട്ടേജ് ആണ്, രണ്ടും കിട്ടാനില്ല.
All right, this is the stop one. They say no sanitizers, no masks. It's a big shortage.
From morning onwards, I've been looking for this hand sanitizer and mask and all those items which are prescribed by the government and WHO. None of these items are available in the market.
The truth of the matter is, on the ground, sanitizers are right now not available, but there really is no reason to panic at this point. Basic hygiene is of utmost importance, and one of the best ways to contain coronavirus is just to ensure that you keep your hands off your face, off your eyes, off your nose, off your mouth, and keep washing your hands regularly. Even if not with the sanitizer, just go the extra mile for now to use soap wherever and as often you can.